This is the 2019 Forza 38F from Winnebago Industries. It's built on a Freightliner chassis. Right up at the front of the motorhome, the wheel cut on a diesel is far superior to anything else. You have a 55-degree wheel cut. That's what makes this so maneuverable, not only when you're driving it down the road, but if you're trying to back it into a really tight campsite. For 2019, we added a 10,000-pound hitch. We upped the towing capacity on this motorhome. It has a 6.7-liter, 340-horse Cummins diesel engine paired with an Allison transmission. That's a #1 engine and transmission combination for a recreational vehicle or for a diesel motorhome. A couple of the changes that took place for 2019 are up in the dash area of the coach. #1 is this Freightliner's new digital dash area. This is a Winnebago exclusive in the value price category. It's very similar to the dash that they would use in their S-Class Mercedes. Gives the customer a fuel gauge as well as a DEF gauge. We'll also have another video where we can actually show you how the customer can program the center section of it. Also, at the same time in 2019, we gave the customer a much larger backup monitor, and in this one we restored the one-way audio, so if the customer is trying to put it into a really tight spot, they can bring on the audio from back. Or if you're in a situation for road construction, you can manually bring up one of the side turn cameras without having to have the turn signal on. Corian Galley countertops. This happens to be the coffee Vienna glazed maple wood package. We give you 3 different wood packages, or 3 different options for the customer to choose. In the Forza, we give you 4 different interior packages as well. This is the multiplex controller that goes in all of the Forza motorhomes. This replaces the one place. It monitors all of your tank levels and basically controls the entire operation of the coach. It's reading all of the tank levels across here now. This would be where you would simply turn on your water pump when we're ready to camp. It's reading your current battery levels as well as what power source we're plugged into. If we need to start the generator, we would simply tap to turn on the generator. This motorhome is equipped with the automatic generator start feature. It is as simple as punching on the AC tab. Again, it's showing you we're connected to 30 amp shore power. We could manually start the generator, or this shows you the triggers for the automatic generator start. In some of the previous coaches, it was a little more complicated to set up this operation. Now it is as simple as turning on and turning off this feature. When you get to 11.2 volts, it's capable of firing the generator, recharging the batteries back. It's also capable of responding to if we're away from the motorhome and it starts warming up and we need heating or cooling, it can turn on the generator, and again, we can have climate control while we're away from the motorhome. This is where you set the 2 different zones on the motorhome. You set both the air conditioner, the heater, as well as the heat pump. You can also control all of the slide rooms from here. You do need to have the engine running when you're doing this, but you can run all the slide rooms in and out. You can also control all of the lights on here. At several different points in this motorhome, there's a master on and a master off. You can do them individually, and it will show you which of these lights are dimmable. You see the dinette lights are simply on and off, but the hallway lights have a dimmer on them. And you simply hold the button down in order to have the lights be dimmer or brighter. And you have a couple of sets of light controls. You can also, this motorhome has 3 different exhaust fans in it. You can turn them on and turn them off all from this central control. And then if we wanted to change from Fahrenheit to Celsius, if this motorhome happened to be going up into Canada, something like that, you can simply change that, and you can adjust it so the screen's not so bright when you're looking at it. This is the Forza 38F. It's brand new from Winnebago Motorhomes.